Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to delete your Uber account. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now your Uber or your Uber Eats app are using the same account, so you can go ahead and use either. All you need to do is to go ahead and open up the Uber or Uber Eats account. And then you should be able to see your account on the bottom right. So go right on ahead and click on this. And then we're going to be going into this help section right here on the top left. So go ahead and click on this. Now there will be an option right here on the all topics, which is your account. So go ahead and click on this. And then we're going to go into account settings right here. And now you should be able to see one of the help questions is I need help deleting my Uber account. So go ahead and click on this. And then there is this link right here where we can go ahead and contact the support team to delete the account using this link. So go ahead and click on this. And then you will need to go ahead and confirm your deletion by adding in your phone number or your email. So you're effectively signing in, confirming that you want to continue with deletion. And there you go. That's how you would go ahead and proceed to delete your Uber account. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.